This time we are going to use long division to divide binary numbers. First, anytime you have problem like this, you're supposed to switch the positions of the divisor and dividend. Simply write 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 like this. Now, 1, 1 is binary tree. Ask yourself, how many times 3 goes equally into 1? None. How many times 3 goes equally into binary 2? None. How many times 3 goes equally into binary 4? 1 time. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Perform subtraction. I cannot subtract 1 from 0, that's why I have to borrow 1, and that 1 becomes 2 over here and 1 over here. 2 minus 1 gives me 1. 1 minus 1 gives me 0, and this is 0. Next, you're supposed to bring down this one. How many times 3 goes into 3? 1 time. 1 times 3 gives me 3. Subtract 0. Anytime you will get 0 means the problem is solved. So, this is my answer. Binary 3. So, other words, 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 is equal 3. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We have, again, 2 binary numbers, and we're supposed to use long division in order to divide them. I'm going to write my divisor over here, 1, 0, 1. And this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. This is binary 5. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 gives me 5. My question is, how many times 5 goes equally into 1? None. How many times 5 goes equally into 3? None. How many times 5 goes equally into 7? Because 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal 7. So 5 goes into 7 equally 1 time. 1 times 5 gives me 5. Perform subtraction. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. 1 minus 0 gives me 1. 1 minus 1 gives me 0. Bring down 1. How many times 5 goes into 5? 1. 1 times 5 gives me 5. And I have 1 minus 1 gives me 0. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. 1 minus 1 gives me 0. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. And bring down 0. How many times 5 goes into 0? None. 0 times 5 gives me 0. Subtract 0. So, this is the solution to my problem. Of course, this is binary. Let's take a look at the next example. Again, we're supposed to switch the positions of the divisor and dividend. I have 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. This is binary 9. We're supposed to ask a question, how many times 9 goes equally into 1? None. So I have to continue. How many times 9 goes equally into 2? Because 1, 0 is binary 2. None. How many times 9 goes into binary 5? Because 1, 0, 1 is binary 5. None. How many times 9 goes into binary 11? Goes once. That's why I have to write 1. 1 times 9 gives me 9. Perform subtraction. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. 1 minus 0 is equal 1. 0 minus 0 gives me 0. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Next, you're supposed to bring down 0. How many times 9 goes into 4? Because 1, 0, 0 is binary 4. None. That's why I have to write 0 in this case. 0 times 9 gives me 0. Subtract. I have 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 1. Bring down this one. How many times 9 goes equally into 9? 1 time. 1 time 9 is equal 9. Subtract is equal 0. 9 minus 9 is equal 0. So this is the solution to my problem.